So a lot of you guys know that in 2023, we actually got a rabbit. We've never had a pet rabbit before, and we realized very quickly that she needed more room than the cage that we had her in. So I actually did quite a bit of looking around and research and read a lot of reviews and settled on the Air06-C for her. Basically, it is a 2-story rabbit hutch that's about 47.2 inches long, 19.7 inches wide, and 42 inches tall. The thing I like about the way that this company boxed up their hutch, everything was really nicely packaged and protected in the box, and then all of the parts were labeled in individual bags, so it made it a lot easier to set up and put together. My husband did it for me. I helped him a little bit, but really it only took him about 45 minutes to put the whole thing together. It's made of fir wood and it's coated with water-based paint, so it's 100% safe for whatever animal you'd be putting in it, most likely a rabbit. So basically I was just his assistant as he put everything together, but he didn't have really any issues at all because everything was labeled and marked, and took just a little bit of time to put it together for our rabbit. So it's all put together, and I have it here in my kitchen so I can show it to you with better lighting, and I went ahead and opened all of the different doors except for this one. This is a ramp, but I wanted to open the doors first and show you how many different openings there are. So obviously being able to reach the bunny when you need to, for getting them out or cleaning the cage, it just makes it really nice. And I like how there's a ramp built in. I noticed that a lot of rabbit hutches that I was looking at didn't have a ramp, and I thought that was really nice that you can leave that open and the bunny can come in and out as they want to. But as you can see, there's lots of different openings. So there's a second story. So you have a door here with a hinge or a bracket, and it makes it really easy to clean too, so that way you can get the bunny, if the bunny's upstairs, you can go ahead and clean the bottom, and if they're at the bottom, you can clean the top, because there's separate slide out trays. Top here has a hay rack that you can install, and it came with this little wooden carrot, which is super cute. So that's the top story. As you can see, it's about half the width of the entire cage, and then you have the little hole here, a ramp, and I like how they put this textured stuff with the little steps on it so they can get down easier to the bottom level. And then down here you have another opening, of course the ramp, and then you have another slide out tray that's the full width of the bottom of the cage right here. So that's really nice. I like that it's got chicken wire, so it's good for ventilation, for odors, but also if you're using it outside. This entire side panel is chicken wire, and you have some chicken wire on the front, so it's going to be good for them to be able to get some fresh air. So there's that. And then of course being able to reach in from the top is really nice. So of course you can see the ramps on this side, you can reach the top part here, and this comes down, and it's actually got that same kind of roofing material, so if you're going to put it outside, it will be helpful with the elements. But that's the entire hutch. It's on casters, which is nice. You don't have to put it on the casters if you don't plan on rolling it around and you just want it to be kind of stationary. You don't have to put those on there. But that's the entire hutch. I definitely think it's nice that there's two levels so she can go up and down and get more exercise that way. I think it's really nice. It's a nice mix of being closed off, having the open wire, and I think that makes it nice to have a little spot for the rabbit to go where it can feel kind of cozy and tucked in, but then it can get some ventilation and some sunshine from the other side of the cage. I feel like it gives you a lot of space on the inside, lots of fun entrances, and you can put, of course, toys and things on the inside, so I think it's a really great option for a bunny.